as we know that with the help of Newton difference method, we can calculate the interpolations of the middle value h in binomial expansion method we can not calculate. Like if we are, the data is given related to x series, that is 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and the y series data is given. With the help of binomial distribution method, we can interpolate for the missing value related to the fixed interval. We can having the interpolate is over there. It means if the value of 15 is not given, then we can having the interpolate with the methods of binomial expansion method. But if we are to calculate the value between 5 to 10 or 10 to 15, 15 to 20, we cannot calculate with the help of binomial expansion method. Later we have to use the Newton advanced difference method. Already we have discussed in our previous video what is Newton advanced difference method is over there. In today's video we will having two questions related to the Newton advanced difference method. The first question is on your screen, that is the x value is given 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and the y value is 20, 30, 42, 58 and 72. You are to calculate if value of x is 18, what will be the value of y is over there. So this is given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Between these we are to calculate. So we have to use the Newton advanced difference method, because here the difference is equal, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and we are to calculate we are to interpolate the middle value is over there. So the Newton advanced difference method is very suitable method for this type of the interpolation. So the very first we will get the value of x. So x value is 18 minus first one value divided by difference of two value, that is 10 minus 5, because formula for that is interpolation number minus original number divided by the difference of two number. So interpolation number is 18 minus original first number is 5 divided by 10 minus 5. So we are having 13 divided by 5. So we will having 13 divided by 5, that is 2.6. So x value we have calculated, that is 2.6. So our x value is 2.6. The very first we will calculate this. The very first, if in this questions they ask if calculate for the 15 is for the 13 is over there, then we may be having 13 minus 5 upon 10 minus 5. If we are to calculate the value for 22, so 22 minus 5 divided by 10 minus 5. What value they ask, we have to use this interpolate number. If for 13 is over there, we will write here 13. If they ask for the number for the 22 is over there, then we will having 22 minus 5 divided by 10 minus 5. Next, we have to calculate Newton's advanced difference is over there. So Newton's advanced difference may be, the very first we will getting the difference of the Newton is over there with the help of this. So the very first, the difference, first one is 30 minus 20, 42 minus 30, 58 minus 42 and 72 minus 58. So these are the advanced difference number. The very first is 10, that is delta 0 1, 12, that is delta 1 1, 58 minus 42, so that is 16, delta 2 1, and last 72 minus 58, that is 14, delta 3 1. So this is first difference. Second one now, 12 minus 10, that is 2, 16 minus 12, that is 4. What we have done? Listen. The very first we have calculated the difference 30 minus 20, 42 minus 30, 58 minus 42, 72 minus 58. Now that this is 10, 12, 16 and 14, that is called delta 01, delta 11, delta 21, delta 31. Okay. Now 12 minus 10, that is 2, 16 minus 12, that is 4, 14 minus 16, that is minus 2. So that value will delta 02, delta 12, delta 22. Next, again we are having difference 4 minus 2, that is 2, and minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. What we have done? 4 minus 2, that is plus 2, minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 4, that is delta 03 and delta 13. Okay. Again we are having another one difference, that is minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8, and this is delta 04. So the one value is over there. So the difference is completed. We will say Newton's difference. Now we will put the formula for calculating the missing values over there. So the formula is, the very first we have take the difference 5 item to convert to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1 and 1 to 2 to 1. Now formula for that is yx is equal to y0 plus x multiply delta 01 plus x minus 1 multiply by 1 to delta 02 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 1, 2 and 3 delta 03, and last one x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 delta 04, because delta 04 is the last. If more, then we can expand that formula. Already we have discussed in the previous one video. So yx, the y0 value is 20, because here we will say this is y0, this is y1, y2, y3, y4. Okay. So y0 value is 20 plus x value already we have calculated 2.6, delta 01 is 10 plus 2.6 minus 1 divided by 1 multiply 2 and delta 02 plus 2.6 minus 1, 2.6 minus 2 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is 2. So first we have taken 10, second we have taken 2, third we have taken 2, and last one 2.6, 2.6 minus 1, 2.6 minus 2 and 2.6 minus 3 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, and that is minus 8. So this is, we have kept the value in formula. So now the yx, that is 20 plus 26. So first one is 20 is plus value, 26 is also plus value, then 2.6 multiply 1.6 divided 1 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 to 2 cancel. So 2.6 multiply 1.6, so that value 4.16. So 20 plus 26 plus 4.16. Okay, plus 2.6 multiply 1.6 multiply 0.6 divided 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. So that is 2.6 multiply 1.6 multiply 0.6 divided by 3. So that is 0.382, 0.832. Last one, 2.6 multiply 0.6, 1.6 multiply 0.6 multiply minus 0.4 divided by 24 multiply minus 8. 2 minus is over there, so plus. So it can minus converted to plus. So this is 2.6 multiply 1.6 multiply 0.6, multiply 0.4, multiply 8 divided by 24, the plus value, that is 0.3328. So the value will be 51.3248, or we can say that is 51. So we will see here we require for the 18 require is over there 20, 30, 42 and 51. So near approximate it's in increasing form, 20 for 5, 10 for 30, 15 for 42, and we have calculate for 18, that is 51. So let me explain this. Firstly, the very first we have got the difference now. So this difference 30 minus 20, 42 minus 30, etc. Then 12 minus 10 and 16 minus 2. Okay. Now come to the formula. This formula already I have written 2 and 3 times. So what we have, y0 value is 20, x value is 2.6, already we have calculated. So 2.6 multiplied by 10 plus 2.6 x and x minus 1, 2.6, 2.6 minus 1. So 2.6 minus 1, that is 1.6, 1 2 end. Now 2.6 minus 1, that is 1.6, 2.6 minus 2, that is 0.6, 1 2 3 multiply by 2. Now 2.6 minus 1, that is 1.6, 2.6 minus 2, that is 0.6, and 2.6 minus 3, that is minus 0.4 divided 1 2 3 4 multiply by minus 8. So minus and minus converted to plus. So we will solve this and getting that for the 18 value the answer will be 51. So it's very easy. With the help of the Newton advanced difference, we can calculate, we can interpolate the value which we required between the series. Then we are having another one question in different form. The Newton method can be. So we are having one more question related to the Newton advanced difference method. So many types this methods can be asked in the examination. So we are having another one style of this. Suppose we are given the value, that is x is given 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, value is given 30 to 40, 30 to 50, 30 to 50, 30 to 60, 30 to 70 and 30 to 80. These value are given. Y is given 31, 73, 124, 159 and 190. Okay, this question is related to less than series. We will use in less than series, we will discuss in next video. Firstly, we are having some different type of the question related to this, that is 31, 42. Okay, this question we will take in next. Firstly, I am having another one question. This question in next video we will having, same question is over there. So the question is like this. Population is given 1981, 1991, 2001, 2001, 2011, 2021. The data of the population of a city is given, and the data is given, that is 70, that is 90, that is 360, that is 140, and last one is 160. And the questions calculate population for 2005. We are to calculate for the population of 2005. This question are in some different form, so I have taken this. The population of city in thousand is given. Population in thousand. Population of city in thousand is given. In 1981, that is 70,000. In 1991, that is 90,000. In 2001, 360,000. And 2011, 140,000, and then 160,000. So as we see this, there is a little difference in this. We are to calculate the population for 2005, but they have the problem. Here increasing, here increasing, here huge increasing, then increasing. It means this is wrong. The very first we have to check that this is not in ascending form, and the data of the population is extraordinary. If increase in 2001, why decrease in 2011? So it shows that this data is wrong. So the very first we will correct this data, then we will use Newton's advanced difference method in this method, because we are to calculate for 2005 is over there. So 2005 lies between this, so we have to use Newton advanced formula. Firstly, we have to check that this is wrong. So we have to check the data for 2001. So for 2001, this is wrong. So we are having y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So firstly we will check this. So for this we have to use, that is binomial expansion method is over there, because here the difference is equal. 1981 to 1991, 1991 to 2001, 2001 to 2011, 2011 to 2021. So the difference of 10 years is over there, and we are to calculate very first for 2001. So we have used this binomial expansion method. 1 minus y raised to power 4, that is y4, minus 4y3, plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. That is the expansion of y4, because the maximum is y4, given is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 huge will be. So y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 is over there. Putting the value, that is 160 minus 4 multiply 140, 6y2 not given because this is wrong, 4 multiply 90 plus 70 is equal to 0. So the very first we will calculate this. 160 is plus value, 140 multiply 4, 140 multiply by 4 is minus value, that is 560. 560 plus 6y2 minus 360 is minus value, plus 70 is plus value. 70 is plus value. So remaining 690 is over there. So 6y2 minus 690 is equal to 0. So the y2 value is 690 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So we have got that this is wrong. The actual value of this is 115. This value will be 115. Now for 2005, the very first with the binomial expansion method we interpolate for the wrong value, because it was given 360, that was wrong. 360 was wrong because this was not suitable for related to this. So coming to the very first we have got the interpolation with the binomial expansion method. Now we will check the Newton advanced method. For Newton advanced method we are having the Newton advanced difference. Newton's difference. Okay, so the very first, that is 90 minus 70, that is 20, 115 minus 90, that is 25. 140 minus 115, that is also 25. 160 minus 140, that is 20. What we have done? 90 minus 70, then 115 minus 90, then 140 minus 115, 160 minus 140. So get 20, 25, 25 and 20. So that is delta 01, delta 11, delta 21, delta 31. Now again difference, that is 25 minus 20, difference minus difference, 25 minus 25 and 20 minus 25. So is equal to 5, this equal to 0, this equal to minus 5, that is delta 02, delta 12, delta 22. Now third difference, 0 minus 5, that is minus 5, and minus 5 minus 0, that is also minus 5. So that is delta 03 and delta 13. And last difference, minus 5 minus 5, that is 0, delta 04. So the very first we have calculated the difference, that is 90 minus 70, first one. Then 25 minus 20, 25 minus 25, 20 minus 25. Then 0 minus 5 and minus 5 minus 0. Then minus 5 minus 5, minus minus converted to minus minus converted to plus. So this is minus 5, this is plus 5, so it will get 0. So now for the formula for the Newton's difference method, that is yx is equal to y0 plus x minus 1 upon 1 multiply 1. Yx is equal to y0 plus delta 01 x plus x minus 1 multiply 1 and 2 delta 02 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 delta 03 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 upon 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 delta 04. This is 0. So putting the value in this yx, so y0 is 70 plus delta 01 is 20. X value, the very first we have to calculate x yet we have not calculated. So first I am calculating x. So interpolate year, that is 2005, minus basic year, that is 1981, divided 1991 minus 1981. So very first we calculate the value. We are to interpolate the value for 2005. So this is interpolate year minus origin year, that is 1981, divided by the difference of 2 years. So firstly we are having 2005 minus 1981, so that is 24, divided by 10, that is 2.4. So the x value we have calculated, that is 2.4. So here, if year is given, what we are to calculate the population for 2005. So interpolation year minus the origin year divided by the difference of 2 years. So difference may be in 10 years, difference this also 10 years, this also 10 years, this also, any difference we can having. So this is the very first, that is 2.4. The value of x, how to you calculate? No problem at all. Now you can understand. Now delta 01, that is 20. That is 20 multiply by value of x, that is 2.4 plus 2.4 minus 1 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply delta 02, that is 5. We use, that is 20. Now we use 5 plus 2.4 minus 1, 2.4 minus 2 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, delta 03 value is minus 5 plus 2.4 minus 1, 2.4 minus 2, 2.4 minus 3 divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, and this is 0. So it all value will be converted to 0. So the y-x, that is 70, first is 70, 20 multiply 2.4, that is 48, plus 2.4, 2.4 minus 1, that is 1.4, divided by 1 multiply 2, multiply by 5, plus 2.4, 2.4 minus 1, that is 1.4, 2.4 minus 2, that is 0.4, divided by 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply minus 5, and this 0, so it 0. So the y-x value is equal to 70 plus 48. 70 plus 48. Now 2.4 multiply 1.4 multiply 5 divided by 2. So this value is 8.4. Plus this value is minus, 1 minus is over there, so the whole value converted to the minus. So 2.4 multiply 1.4 multiply 0.4 multiply 5 divided by 6 is minus 1.12. So the total value will be 125.28, 125.28, or we can say that y-x is 125. So we can having the interpolation. With the help of this, in 2000, you may be now, we are to calculate between this. So 70, 90, 115 and 125, then 11, 140. So between this value is here, because we are to calculate for 2018, 2005 we are to calculate, and the value is also in between, that is 125. So in this manner we can having the interpolation with the help of the Newton method. So I think you may be learn how to use Newton methods. In Newton methods we are having some different type of the question also, so we will discuss in our next video. If the series are in the form of less than or more than series is over there, how can we use Newton advanced difference method, we will learn in our next video. I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to use Newton advanced difference methods for interpolations of the value. Thank you.